give the new CMT Extreme Demolition blade a try. This blade uses a patented low-mass plate design and exclusive secured tooth geometry to provide a reduced blade mass and superior nail impact resistance, which produces substantial cutting efficiency over other traditional demo blades. In the first pass, you can see the CMT blade has cut more than double the other blades, with 40 nails cut and 0 teeth lost. Wow! Now 80 nails cut, and only 1 tooth has been lost on the CMT blade. The CMT blade keeps cutting at 120 nails cut, still only 1 tooth lost. $320 nails cut, and still only 1 tooth has been lost. Try it for yourself. CMT's new Extreme Demolition blade